Greetings everybody, Mossy Rob here on site in Ballard. And as you can see, we have our work cut out for us today. But with a little tender loving, a roof like this can turn into a roof like this. Oh my goodness, sweet baby Jesus, goodness gracious. Those other guys with the pressure washer, not the answer. That'll destroy your roof. And that eco-friendly bleach-based solution, that'll kill your plant life, and it's not great for the environment. Hate to tell ya. All I use is some good old-fashioned elbow grease and a bristle brush that'll get your roof sparkling brand new. Ooh-wee! Give me a shout today. Email, text, call. Mossy Rob and the crew have your roof looking brand new in no time.